out.
Yep. That's a real shitty job that reminded me of home. Well done. Sorry I blew cover back there.
Forget it. We're all alive, guys. That's all that counts.
Clear.
Quarters, guys.
This shit is the best way up?
It's the fastest. No time to explore any options.
Wait till you see the terrace view.
Oh, I expect to be blown away. Shut up. Eyes peeled.
Tombstone actual. Radar's lighting up. We got hostile air.
Oh, fuck! Got it! Help! Son of a bitch!
Tombstone actual. Where the hell are you?
Top floor. Running.
It's backing off. Done. Get everyone in the chopper. Now! Get in here now. The building's unstable. Come on! Stand back! I've lost control!
Holy shit. You okay, man? Pack, any sign of Hawkins and the rest of the crew?
No one survived that.
Get done away from the wreckage!
I can't. He's buried.
Try! I'm over here digging up Recker.
Oh, my leg. Oh, man. Oh, man.
This crazy leg looks like pop sausage.
You're gonna be fine, Dunn. You're gonna be okay, man. We're gonna get you out.
Pack the fuel!
Yeah, I know.
Stop! Recker, cover me! Get out now! Get out!
Please, I'll help you.
No, please. No, you have to get out of here. It's not safe. Fucking civilians.
Recker, I need your knife. Well, 4 Staff Sergeant. Gotta cut the leg. Gotta do what? Recker, come here!
Get over there, Recker. I got this. Go!
A wolf stuck in a trap will chew off its own leg to survive. Come on! The bone's powder, just flesh and uniform keeping me here. Do it! Cut it now!
We gotta go.
Is he dead?
He's not dead. He's just passed out. You're the combat lifesaver, man. You should know this, Pat.
It was like a 3-hour course. Incoming! Down!
Let's go! Chopper's coming back around. Let's go!
Hey, these Azerbaijanis are all right, huh? Come on, in. You're gonna be okay, Dunn. You're gonna be okay. We're gonna get you out. You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
It's the boss, man. The damn right's gonna be okay. Let's go! Recker, take the wheel!
Easy, buddy.
Fortress, this is Tombstone. Our evac is gone. Need another way out. Do you copy?
Tombstone, Fortress is tracking you. Secondary extraction en route. Follow the road 3 clicks west.
Copy, Fortress, en route. Where's the chopper? Look at him.
Shit in my leg. My wife's gonna kill me.
Dunn, breathe slowly. You'll be fine. We'll get you home. You're gonna be fine.
If the intel we got is right about Admiral Chang and the Russians, none of us is going home.
Lost too much blood. Hurry! Just hang in there.
Oh man, fuck that! Fortune, this is Tombstone. Our evac is going. Need another way out. Do you copy?
Tombstone, Fortress is tracking you. Secondary extraction en route. Follow the road 3 clicks west.
Copy, Fortress, en route. Where's the chopper?
Don't know, I'm looking.
Shit, my leg. My wife's gonna kill me.
Lost too much blood. Hurry!
If the intel we got is right about Admiral Chang and the Russians, none of us is going home.
Leaving her house here in the elevator, bars and Dixie.
Just hang in there. Speed up, or that gun's going into shock.
Pat, what's happening?
Here it comes! Recker, shake it!
Not fucking likely. Where the fuck is it? Where'd it go? You don't see it?
Didn't see where the heck you went.
There, I see it. Get ready. Speed up. Fuck it, Recker, speed up.
That was too close.
Step on it, damn it.
It's lining up!
Oh, fuck no! Burn those motherfuckers! There, I see it! Get ready!
Speed up! Oh, that was too close.
Step on it, damn it!
It's lining up!
Oh, fuck no! Burn those motherfuckers! Son of a bitch! Fuck!
Yep. Tombstone retrieved the intel. And? In the event of a Chinese military coup, the Russians would be loyal to Admiral Chang.
That confirms the report from our asset in China.
So Staff Sergeant Dunn was killed for something we already knew?
There's rioting in the streets of Shanghai, Captain, and the Russians are getting involved. We needed to know for sure. That we had to lock down Suez is delicate enough. One wrong move, we're talking war. You have your orders, Captain.
Aye, aye. Steaming towards the east coast of China.
Martial fucking law for 1 billion people. They're pissed off about the assassination of Jin Jay.
Who was he, sir?
He was on deck for the presidency. Progressive. He pushed the government for transparency, fairness, freedom of speech. Admiral Chang convinced more than a few of them that we killed Mr. J. Now, if your operation goes up, Chang will have all the excuse he needs to give all that anger, all that hate, a real target. It'll be war. Now, your job is to pull VIPs out of the GU tower safe and sound. Extraction will be coordinated by one spook agent, Laszlo W. Kovic. Unless absolutely